What's going on, y'all? Guess where we are at? You might better tell by this roller coaster, and well, Retro Ben's with me, the Retro Ben. We are at Carowinds, 2 weeks away from today to Scarowinds. Oh, I also have, let me get him down here on, yep, Bryson's with us. Anyhow, we're gonna go in. I'm not gonna give you a full tour of everything that's going on. We're gonna take a sneak peek at some of the decorations, some of the things they're getting ready for Scarowinds. Because I don't know about you, but I am ready for Scarowinds. There goes Intimidator. Right above me. Yeah, Intimidator. Anyhow, we're gonna get in the park, go check everything out, see what's going on with this Scarowinds going on, see what's ready. I don't think all the props are out yet, but I've heard a lot of them are. I've also heard some merchandise is out. So let's go inside, check all that out. But before we get in there, hey, don't forget, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. Get all that done. Let us know in the comments that you're a new subscriber. Would love to welcome you to the channel. Also, while you're at it, go check out the Retro Ben. Need something fixed? He's your man. So let's get inside and see what's going on. Now, as we was walking in, we had to make a little pit stop over here to the restrooms before we got in. But we noticed a lot of pumpkins are sitting out. So it won't be long. We're gonna start seeing those set up somewhere, I'm sure. One other thing I forgot to mention. We will be here opening weekend for Scarowinds. Opening weekend, that means both nights we will be here. And during the Great Pumpkin Fest. So, if you happen to see us, be sure to say hey to us. You never tell, might have something for you. So be sure to stop us and say hey. Now we are 2 weeks out, but the S has not been placed on the Carowinds sign yet. But I'm sure it's coming, because that's like the icon. I love how they do Scarowinds and put the S right over here in front of the C. Love it, love it. Okay, we are in the park, and immediately I noticed, a lot of times they'll have the column set up here, the fire on top. They hadn't put those out yet, and I don't know if they're going to. I'm just saying, I've noticed it's not out yet. So right now, hey, it looks like Carowinds. But I know there's some things going on. Let's go find out. Y'all, I see something a little different here. They have the Celebration Plaza stage kind of closed off here. And now last time we was here, they was building it. Let's go see if we can kind of catch a little sneak peek of that. When I say building it, they were making it bigger. I'm assuming for the Scarowinds opening show they always do. And plus I think there is going to be a show here, the Queen's Ball. Something like that. So it's going to be interesting to see what's going on here. As you can see, the stage is a lot bigger than normal. And they're getting ready. As you see, they got the speakers piled up over here on either side already. Got some lighting set up. Stage is a lot bigger, so it's gonna be interesting to see what's going on. So yeah, there's gonna be a big show at the front, apparently a lot bigger because the stage is bigger than normal. So that's gonna be really neat to see what goes on. Because Scarowinds didn't happen last year, so we gotta really see what they're gonna do new and different this year. So this is like it's been a hiatus. We all know why. We're not gonna talk about that, but can't wait for it to happen. Now down here in Thrill Zone, as you see, this is normally Blood Yard, and it looks like it's gonna be Blood Yard again, where it's like a junkyard filled with zombies and stuff. They got these containers set up everywhere. You can see them over there. So yeah, they're getting things set up here. Thing is about the containers, I love reading the graffiti and stuff that's on them. Yep, there's the Blood Yard sign. Sure is. Not a whole lot set up down here yet. Oh, they got this place for the drum show set up over there. So there you go. Blood Yard will be down here in Thrill Zone. They got the containers set up, setting them up. They haven't got them all set up yet. Still a lot of props to put up. Like I say, we're still 2 weeks away. But it's, man, seeing these props to get me ready. I can't wait. Coming up here in the Boardwalk area. Looks like we're heading into a haunted cemetery. I believe this is where they're gonna have the grave walkers scare zone. Yeah, I kind of enjoy this scare zone when I come up here, because every time you walk through, you might see a different character, I guess you'd say. Different props, different whatever. And it's really neat to walk through this area during Scarowinds. So let's take you around and show you some of the props they already have out. Like this hearse here. And this is the entrance or the exit, depending on, I guess, which way you're going. Some gargoyles over there. Now, y'all, I just found well, it's not a prop, but it is something that's very, very important to Scarowinds. Let me flip you around and show what I'm talking about. That there, my friends, is one of the fog machines that gives Scarowinds just the eerie, creepy feeling. So I'm starting to see these put out throughout the park also. Now, of course, they're not going to operate until Scarowinds, but hey, they're here. Now, over here at County Fair, things get a little spooky. Turn you around and show what I'm talking about. Look like a sunken pirate ship to me. Like they're gonna have Pirates Landing scare zone over here in County Fair. Let's walk around and look at some of these props they got set up already. Like I said, they're not done setting up all the props, but they got a lot of them set up here in this area. Sure do. Now this is a really cool area they just added a few years ago. Like over here, they have a mermaid. There's water coming out of the eyes of that skull. Really cool. Got the fog going through here and those spooky lights. Love this area. Love it. A lot of areas for them scare actors to jump out at you in this area. It's going to be a cool little area to walk through. I can't wait to experience this during Scarowinds. And over here by Chick-fil-A and Boot Blasters. All right, we got our old West town here. Gonna be some scary cowboys walking around. Got a thing looking spooky. That saloon over there. Hotel. All kind of stuff set up over here. This area is, normally they have the sliders in this area, and they still might, I'm not sure. But it is got the old West theme here. Another little prop set up over here for the old West theming. Yeah, this is gonna be, I'm really gonna enjoy this area, that's for sure. Can't wait to see it for Scarowinds. Look at that, y'all. Zoom you in for a minute here. Another fog box sitting out. Starting to see those everywhere too. We are now down here by the bumper cars, and y'all look, a lot of carnival stuff is set up down here. This is where the Scary Clowns is gonna be, y'all. Yep. A lot of scary stuff already been set up. Man, I tell you, not being able to go to Scarowinds last year, it's really got me in the mood for it. Look, there's JoJo the monkey. I like JoJo. JoJo's my buddy. Sure is. Say it's JoJo. But now, some things are keeping under wraps, as you see. Oh, but I do see some hay down here. Oh, I see a bone. Scary stuff in there. Now, what's funny, this area down here where the clowns are at is probably the scariest for most people. And I love just hanging out down here sometimes and just watching the clowns just scare everybody. Sometimes just sitting back watching them, not even being scared yourself, but just watching everybody else get scared is so fun. But the props down here, I love. It's just like a dominion, just a carnival gone wrong. It's so fun. Y'all check this out. Y'all remember the funhouse mirrors that they used to have? Bryson's having fun with one now. What's it make it look like, man? Oh, he's really long. Look at him. That's one thing I love about this area is they have a lot of the old, it's like I said, like a carnival gone wrong. See, they got a mirror on the other side. Let's see what it look like in this one, y'all. Uh-oh, I look normal. Anyhow, there's a lot of things. I love this area. Ooh, y'all check this out. Even an old game down here. Cheat. Lean in as far as you want. But y'all, something just don't look right about this game. Now look at that. Look like it hadn't been used in a while, y'all. Like an abandoned carnival. I don't think nothing is as spooky as an abandoned carnival. Well, y'all, game might be old and abandoned, but like we got us a new upper. Can I play, sir? Yes. So I can lean in as far as I want. Still win? Yep. So, are these all prizes new? Nope. No? Okay. Is this place haunted?
Yep.
It is? You're not scared? Okay. Well, don't let them clowns get you. Even some more scary stuff set out. All right, the sun is starting to set on us, but guess what? We still got one more scare zone to go through. And it used to be called London Terror, then Fleet Street, and I think now it's called Ripper's Alley. But I want to show you something that I'm kind of confused about. I don't know exactly what name it's going to be. Well, hey, let me show you what I'm talking about. Now on the Scarowinds map that I've seen, it's saying this is Ripper's Alley. There's actually up on the Nighthawk now, but they got the Fleet Street sign up, so that's going to be interesting to see if they keep that name here. They call it Ripper's Alley on the map. I don't know. Anyhow, let's walk down through here. Let's see. If you remember, this used to be kind of right past Intimidator, going toward Harmony Hall. They have moved everything now over here under Nighthawk. Oh, so wow, it's got kind of a wide area. We can walk around here. Now this is going to be really neat through here with the fog and the lights and everything else. I'm sure this is going to be really awesome through this area here. A lot of places for them to kind of hide, jump out at you, as you can see. So this is going to be kind of neat how they funnel people in and out through here. I can't wait to experience this little area. And looks like, yeah, here's the end of it, the other end of it. Of course, well, there goes Nighthawk right over us. Now there's Scarowinds and they're already running. Huh. So anyhow, yeah. So right here, going, either you're coming from Windseeker or coming from Intimidator, and you go up under Nighthawk. As you see, even on this side, it's called Fleet Street. So anyhow, I don't know, like I said, the map says Ripper's Alley. It's Fleet Street here. Either way, this is one of my favorite areas. You know, it's like old time Black Plague kind of thing going on here. It's real spooky, real scary. I love the scare zone. I didn't really cover the mazes, but there's a couple little spots the mazes have changed. For instance, the Dark Harvest is not back in the county fair or the Crossroads area anymore. It is now going to be moved over to the Ripon Rapids area and we call it the Reaping. So there's a few little changes, a few new mazes, a few new shows, some awesome things. Well, y'all, Carowinds is closed. Kind of sad because, well, another day went to a close here at Carowinds. Had a great time. But kind of glad because we're one day closer to Scarowinds. Now, like I said, I showed you the scare zones, kind of what they got set up. Didn't really hit the mazes a whole lot of where they're going to be. We did walk by some. I did mention that the Reaping will now be over there, according to the map, over there at Ripon Rapids, and Dark Harvest is no longer on the map, so all they're pretty much doing is moving that over there. Anyhow, they did move Fleet Street to under Nighthawk, which is now on the River Alley, I think it's called. Anyhow, a lot of changes. Anyhow, what a great day. Let me show you something. Wave. That's what you call a great day. Plus, he gets to ride in the wagon. How cool is that? He ain't got to walk. Anyhow, before we go, one other thing. If you want to check out some great cooking, go over check out our other channel, Cooking with the Crazy Pop. If you want to check out some great electronics and how to fix things, go and check out theretroben. If you want to have a lot of fun, stay here with us. Be sure to hit that like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Man, we got some awesome stuff coming along, some Scarowinds, some great Pumpkin Fest, all kinds of things coming up. So stay tuned. We'll see you next time. And we want to thank you for hanging with the Crazy Crew.